Hi, Annalie. Today I'm just going to play a little bit. I'm making a few backgrounds for me for my collages, for my paintings to use. I like to use these in my background sometimes, so I'm thinking I'm going to start with my turquoise. I think I'm going to throw in a little bit of yellow as well. I think I'm going to use the stencil. I'm going to pick up this paint at the back. And just make sure you go into all those places in between if it's a very fine stencil like this one. I'm just going to let it dry for a moment and then I'll come back for the second layer. Third. Okay, I think I'm just going for a little bit of bronze. I don't want to put too much colors on, so I'm just experimenting with colors that I don't use often. And see what comes out. I'm also using a cheap paint today, so I'm not using my expensive paints. I'm going to put it on this side now. And I'm going to leave it for a minute or so before I pick it up. I'm still deciding what I'm going to do on this side. I'm just going to leave it like that and maybe wash in another color while it's on the canvas. That works really nice as well. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so it's been on there for a minute. Okay, it looks fine. It looks like it picks everything up at the moment. I think I'm going to leave this one as is because these are going to blend into the canvas and get transparent, and then I can wash another color otherwise I'm going to put the color at the back and put this over. I'll just see, but if I use it in the artwork I will show you. I don't like too much colors on this. For me it's fine at the moment as it is. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell that you can get future uploads of my videos. And I will see you next time. Have a lovely day.